Saving America. We have the rumors of the week. This is Dr. David D. Shine. These are segments that we present that we believe may have been missed by people who follow the mainstream media, even some of the alternative media, that there's some important stories out there that may not be on the front burner, but are extremely important. So it's not that they're completely unknown, it's that they're not known as well as some other situations. And we have a report from Mark Wachowski, I hope I pronounced that correctly. He says, where are the Social Security Medicare trustees? Now, this is an interesting situation, folks. The Social Security Medicare trustees are supposed to report annually on the financial health of these two extremely important programs. And remember, if the crazies on the left have their way, they want to expand Medicare to just about everybody. So let's talk about the people who've paid into Medicare and are now relying on those benefits for their medical care, sometimes for 35, 40 years if they live to be 100 or 100 plus. Yes, folks, these are extremely important. And part of the question comes up is, why would the trustees who were supposed to deliver these reports in April, 4 or 5 months ago, why would they have delayed those reports? Could it be because Congress is considering this wacko socialist agenda grab bag of nonsense that has a price tag of $3.5 trillion on it? And of course, it will cost much more in the devastation of America and America's way of life. And so it's likely that these reports are going to show that both Social Security and Medicare are running out of money. And certainly a priority ought to be, since these people have been promised those benefits, they have been promised, they've paid into Social Security. This is not a freebie. This is benefits that people have paid into, and Medicare, a benefit that they have paid into. Now, if they've not paid in enough, that's a financial and actuarial problem that the United States government should address. And as many of you know, the increase in premiums on Social Security Medicare have happened from time to time. And Medicare in particular now applies to higher and higher earnings, although the people at the highest level earnings most likely won't be relying on Medicare, but that's a very separate issue than the one we're talking about. So I call on the Medicare and Social Security trustees to immediately release these reports to make sure they receive the widest distribution possible and to get it out there before the clowns in Washington continue to discuss this ludicrous, what they call human infrastructure bill, which of course is a thinly disguised attempt to move America towards socialism. This is Dr. David D. Shine. Thanks for viewing and listening.